Hello viewers, this is Half Channel again. We are currently in the process of replacing the motor oil on a Yamaha FZ8, my Yamaha FZ8. And here you guys can see that I have the original oil filter that I purchased from a motorcycle store here in the city of Temecula, and it's and then I'm using a 4T stroke full synthetic 1040 motor oil from Valvoline. I'll record it so you guys can see, and hopefully this will help others in terms of in regards to replacing their motor oil. The filter, which I replaced last year, is still here, this is also original Yamaha motor oil filter, and the oil plug is under, just below the motor oil filter, right there. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to release the oil filter. I'm using a locking oil filter wrench that I got from Harbor Freight. It's pretty cheap, like $5. And I'm going to release that. Okay, there you go. Pretty tight. Just release enough until you can, you just hand release it. Okay. There you go. And don't forget to warm up your engine before you do any of this, to be safe. There you go. All right, there's the old filter. Pause it for now. The oil filter, of course, is to remove the oil plug screw, which is under here. And here I'm using a 11 by 16 wrench right here. Okay, I'm going to release that. Here we go. Okay. It'll be a little warm when you do this because you just warmed up the engine, which is, a standard way of doing it. You want the oil to cycle before you do that oil change. Oil doesn't look too bad, but I just want to be safe. It's got about 1,500 miles on it already. But this time I'm using a full synthetic.
And then he just needs a miracle, Yeah. I think he spent the night with
Okay, just draining all the oil, and then after the oil drains, then I'm going to put the plug back into the oil drain plug, and then replace the filter with a new one. And I'll show you guys where to refill the oil after I put it directly to where the old filter was. I'm going to replace this filter and use your tool. Motorcycle on a rear stand. Okay, I replaced the filter. I replaced the oil plug, drain plug. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refill the the oil pan, and I'm going to go on the other side and show you guys. Fill the oil now. Once again, I'm using a Valvoline 4T full synthetic 1040 motor oil. They sell it at Walmart for about under $9. You know, it's cheaper than the mobile, but I like using this because it makes my motor run smoother, and to me it's gives me more peace of mind, you know, that I'm putting a good motor oil in my engine. Make sure you guys use a funnel, so eliminates the possibility of making a big mess and wasting your oil. Recommended by Yamaha is to put about 3.2 quarts, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll use just 3 quarts, and I have some left over from the last time, which I'm going to refill up to 2.2. If you guys can see it, I might have to adjust the camera. You guys can see it better. There we go. And once again, this is a Yamaha 2012 FZ8 with an 800cc motor. Every drop counts. You know, works this time. I usually replace my oil between 1,500 and 2,000 miles. By the way, guys, just to add up to this, before you get everything finalized, check the window again to make sure that you're on the proper level. And as you guys can see, I'm a little above, you know, the half mark, and that's good. 3.28 is what's recommended by Yamaha. That happens, you know, as soon as you turn the engine, it sucks all the oil again to cycle it all throughout the engine. But as soon as you turn it off, it goes back to, you know, its reserve. So it's fine. All right, once again, thanks for watching. God bless.